I met you in the dark, you lit me up. You made me feel as though I wasn't off. We danced the night away, we drank too much. I held your hair back when you were throwing up. Then you smiled over your shoulder. For a minute I was stone cold sober. I put you closer to my chest, and you asked me to stay over. I said I already told you, I think that you should get some rest. I knew I loved you then, but you'd never know. 'Cause I played it cool and I was scared of letting go. I knew I needed you, but I never showed. But I wanna stay with you until we're growing old. Just say you won't let go. Just say you won't let go. I'll wake you up with some breakfast in bed. I'll bring you coffee with a kiss on your head. And I'll take the kids to school, wave them goodbye. And I'll thank my lucky stars for that night. When you looked over your shoulder, for a minute I forget that I'm older.
Love it, there to last. Heaven knows it's high time. I've been waiting on my own too long. And when you hold me like you do, it feels so right. Oh, now I start to forget how my heart gets torn when that hurt gets thrown.
Welcome. My name is Stuart, and we are here today to celebrate the marriage of Heidi and Clayton. The two of them will, from this day onwards, spend their lives together as one. Heidi and Clayton would like to thank each of you for coming all the way to beautiful Koh Samui to be here in show of support for their new life they're starting together. It means so much to them to have you all here today. And for those who could not be here, Heidi and Clayton would like you to know that you are always in their hearts, no matter where you are. People everywhere, and all through the ages, have been drawn together in times of ceremony, joy, and celebration. Thus today, we've been drawn here together to witness and to celebrate with Heidi and Clayton in their union for the founding of a new marriage. Marriage is one of the greatest journeys that two people can make together. The power of feeling that connects one person to another for life in marriage is a declaration of an emotion that holds no spiritual or physical boundaries. A joining of this kind is a celebration of that love which will last an eternity. This first step by you, Heidi and Clayton, is a universal message of your love for each other and the unity you feel each and every day. It is a commitment of love and understanding with which you both enter in the certain knowledge that you were meant to be together, always. Heidi and Clayton, if you base the foundation of your marriage on the devotion that you have for one another, not just at this moment, but for all the days to come, and treasure the hopes and dreams that you bring here today, then your love will never be obscured by the ordinary in life. A partnership of love and devotion can only grow when you nourish them together. Have faith in your shared destiny, just as strongly as you have faith in each other today. Only with this spirit can you forge a union that will strengthen and endure all the days of your lives. Today I will marry my friend,
Today I will marry my friend,
the one I will live with, dream with, and love.
the one I will live with, dream with, and love.
From this day forward, I will cherish you.
From this day forward, I will cherish you.
I will look with joy
I will look with joy
down the path of our tomorrows,
down the path of our tomorrows,
knowing we will walk it together,
knowing we will walk it together,
side by side,
side by side,
hand in hand,
hand in hand,
and heart to heart.
and heart to heart.
Clayton, please say I do if you agree with these words. Clayton, do you take Heidi to be your wife and true love? Do you promise to treasure your union and love her more each and every day? Do you promise to trust and respect her, laugh with her, and be there for Heidi, loving her faithfully through the good times and bad, regardless of the obstacles you may face together? And do you give her your heart, mind, and soul from this day forward for as long as you both shall live?
I do.
Today I will marry my friend,
Today I will marry my friend,
the one I will live with, dream with, and love.
the one I will live with, dream with, and love.
From this day forward, I will cherish you.
From this day forward, I will cherish you.
I will look with joy
I will look with joy
down the path of our tomorrows,
down the path of our tomorrows,
knowing we will walk it together,
knowing we will walk it together,
side by side,
side by side,
hand in hand,
hand in hand,
and heart to heart.
and heart to heart.
And Heidi, please say I do if you agree with these words. Heidi, do you take Clayton to be your husband and true love? Do you promise to treasure your union and love him more each and every day? Do you promise to trust and respect him, laugh with him, and be there for Clayton, loving him faithfully through the good times and bad, regardless of the obstacles you may face together? And do you give him your heart, mind, and soul from this day forward for as long as you both shall live?
I do.
Heidi and Clayton, you will now exchange the symbolic dedication of your commitment to this marriage. The ring has long been the visible symbol of vows taken in marriage. A circle with no beginning and no ending represents the love which is everlasting, which begins in trust, grows through companionship, and deepens with understanding. Your rings say that even in your uniqueness, you have chosen to be bound together. Let these rings also be a sign that love has substance as well as soul, a present as well as a past, and that despite its occasional sorrows, love is the circle of happiness, wonder, and delight. Dean, may we have the rings brought over? And Clayton, please take Heidi's ring. Heidi, I give you this ring as a symbol of my love.
Heidi, I give you this ring as a symbol of my love.
And with all that I am,
And with all that I am,
and all that I have,
and all that I have,
I honor you for all the days of my life.
I honour you for all the days of my life. I can't get it up. It's
Very good. Excellent. And Dean, may we have Clayton's ring brought over? Thank you. And please repeat after me. Clayton, I give you this ring as a symbol of my love.
Clayton, I give you this ring as a symbol of my love.
And with all that I am,
And with all that I am,
and all that I have,
and all that I have,
I honor you for all the days of my life.
I honour you for all the days of my life.
Ladies and gentlemen, please stand up. Heidi and Clayton, having stood before me and these witnesses, having exchanged these vows and these rings, and having agreed to be married, it gives me very great pleasure to announce that you are husband and wife. Congratulations, Clayton. You may kiss your beautiful bride.
I'm really close tonight, and I feel like I'm moving inside her, lying in the dark, and I think that I'm beginning to know her. Let it go, I'll be there when you call, and whenever I fall at your feet, you let your tears rain down on me. Whenever I touch your slow turning pain, you're hiding from me now. There's something in the way that you're talking, words don't sound right, but I hear them all moving inside you. No, I'll be waiting when you call. Hey, whenever I fall at your feet, you let your tears rain down on me. Whenever I touch your slow turning pain, the finger of blame has turned upon itself, and I'm more than willing to offer myself. Do you want my presence or need my help? Who knows where that might lead? I'll fall. Whenever I fall at your feet, you let your tears rain down on me. Whenever I fall, whenever I fall.
I'm learning about you, the things that no one else sees. And the end comes too soon, like dreaming of angels. And leaving without them. And leaving without them. Being as in love with you as I am. Being as in love with you as I am. Being as in love with you as I am. Being as in love, 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 love. words unspoken, a silent devotion. I know you know what I mean. And the end is unknown, but I think I'm ready as long as you're with me. Being as in love with you as I am. Being as in love with you as I am. Being as in love with you as I am.